I am Leila Gans, the coordinator for the Cal Poly Small Business Development Center for Innovation and the Center for Innovation and Entrepreneurship. Essentially, we're a startup SBDC, and specifically the Cal Poly Small Business Development Center for Innovation, and we primarily focus on advancing tech ventures in San Luis Obispo County.
My name is Jessie Becker, and I am the Innovation Coordinator. The Hot House program was essentially a place for student companies to have a space and a community around them to take their business ideas into viable businesses. The SBDC was able to provide consulting services and training services to each of these companies. We individually matched mentors with each of the companies who had specific experience in the same fields that the companies were working in. For example, Inpress Technologies is a medical device startup, and we were able to find 2 different mentors for them that both have experience going through the FDA approval process and have experience in the medical device entrepreneurship realm as well.
My name is Carlin, and I'm with Inpress Technologies, which is a medical device startup here in San Luis Obispo. What the device does is it treats postpartum hemorrhage, which is when a woman has excessive bleeding after giving birth. It's the #1 cause of maternal death in the world. And our device is unique because it actually simulates the body's natural response to the problem. And by doing so, it's much more safe and much more effective. SBDC and Center for Innovation and Entrepreneurship hooked us up with a great office space for the summer to work in. And so over the summer, we've been working on our patent, working on our regulatory strategy, working on our business plan, working on our prototype. It's been a really phenomenal experience. We were really able to kind of shore up our IP, really demonstrate the technology works, and then through the business plan and through working with the people with the Hot House with business experience, really able to validate our market and say, not only is this a product that works, but it's also a product that has a market that has a real need out there in the world.
I'm Andrew Hughes, and I'm the founder of Steadfast Innovation. My product is called Project Papyrus, and it is a note-taking platform for tablets. Over the summer, I was able to work on a prototype version of the software, as well as start to work on a business model and get general answers to how to start a company. What resources do I have at my disposal and who to talk to? I had great relationships with different mentors that were able to give me feedback on the idea and develop it along the way. But by the end of the summer, I had a working prototype that I was able to use to show to people what the idea is, as well as use at an Android conference that I went to talk to HTC, who actually liked my idea so much that they gave me a tablet to continue my work.
My name is Christopher Cien, and I am the co-founder of Circlebid. Circlebid is an online auction platform that makes it easier for nonprofit organizations to raise money. We combine social networking tools with an auction platform much like eBay that allows organizations to build communities around causes. And then these causes are basically a continuous source of revenue for the organization. The Hot House has provided lots of services for us. We were able to get legal help forming an operation agreement. We had tons of great mentors. We were able to get tons of customers lined up and ready to go. They were all excited to use it. We were able to get feedback from other people that are building similar things, very different things, help collaborate on their ideas as well as my ideas, and ultimately build kind of a community where we are comfortable sharing crazy ideas with other people that actually think that they're cool.